Hey everybody, this is Dr. Stauber. Today I want to show you what's called an impulse adjusting instrument. So it's pretty cool. We use that to adjust the spine, tissue, muscle that may be stiff or tight. So it's an electronically powered instrument, and basically push the button, you're going to feel that. So we have different settings for it if we need to go deeper into the tissue, or if it's lighter, depending on the sensitivity level of the patient. So you can get some really precise, accurate adjustments with this. And if you're somebody who doesn't like heavy manual adjustments, it's a great alternative for really, really great care. So yeah, that's the impulse adjusting instrument.